When you see the check BSD system warning in your Hyundai, this is all about the blind spot detection system, because this is what BSD actually stands for. First of all, make sure the rear bumper is absolutely clean and not damaged. Any blockage or even minor damage to the BSD sensor area can easily cause this warning to pop up. It may solidly stay on the dash, or it may go on and off intermittently. Also, it's very common to have this warning when there was very slight bumper damage that may not even be visible on the plastic surface. However, the clearance between the bumper and the BSD sensors is not huge. And if the sensor was actually impacted even slightly, it may have changed its position. Now it requires recalibration, and if it doesn't help, you may need to replace this sensor mount or the sensor itself. Actually, Hyundai BSD sensors do seem to have common issues, and I believe they are very voltage dependent. So one important thing to check when you keep getting this warning is your 12-volt battery and also the alternator. You may need to measure voltage in various conditions, like when the engine is off or when the engine has just been started, and see if everything is okay with charging. If you happen to see the stored codes for voltage problems in your car, one of the sensors may even be dead because of this. Also, I found two bulletins regarding this problem, and I will leave the links to those TSBs in the description. You may find some relevant info on your case. If your car is still under warranty, you may need several visits to the dealer till they agree to replace the BSD sensor. They will try fixing the wiring, then they will recalibrate the system, and only when nothing helps, they will order the new sensor. But if the car is not under warranty, you may want to find a used sensor from a wrecked car, because the new one costs up to $800 depending on the model. Before you decide to repair anything and pay your own money, you may also want to disconnect the 12-volt battery for several minutes, and after you connect it back, you will need to drive for some time. This may help the system recalibrate, but don't expect much from this procedure since it won't work in most cases.